Gang, welcome back to the trap house. Enjoy some strobing. Today, we're out of the kitchen for once, but we are going to do some funny testing with the phone. As you can see, I don't know if it's easy to tell, but the device is in a precarious situation. As in, I just have the battery out here like this. Fuck, I disconnected it. Shit. Alright, well, I'll be right back when I connect it to the battery again, and I'll see if it works, because currently it doesn't. So I've progressed a little bit. Due to lack of funding, I decided to take this part out of the thing, which I'll use with this cable, which is going to be very funny, hopefully, if it works. But so now I've got like the poles of the battery out here. Got the poles of the battery out here, which is possibly a fire/electrocution hazard. I mean, the battery is a little bit swollen, you know, nothing too sketchy. So I'll try and fix it and see how that goes. But first we gotta tape up the battery to avoid fire hazards, you know. Fire hazards bad. Alright, chat new strap. I ripped this off the... hold on. Can I add the flash? How do I fucking add the flash? What the fuck is this shit? Alright. Alright, so update. We had some white smoke when I plugged it in, so I unplugged it very quickly to avoid any further damages. Now I need to assess why the white smoke happened and how to fix it. I might just end up changing it and doing it with AAA batteries because it might work better, but I'll see. Could be the move. Oh man. Hey chat, new version. This is 3 batteries held together, and now we will try again with that. So wish me luck. Ladies and gentlemen, to nobody's surprise, the phone does not turn on. So I don't really know what to do now. So yeah, longue journée. Thank God I have a new phone though. So yeah, very funny. Yeah, this is pretty funny. We're gonna try out new stuff. Restez branchés.